morning, guys. We're going to a meet, kind of like a little private meet held. I actually haven't been to a meet in honestly years, so this is something for me. Not so much as a meet, but you know, meet and cruise. Like I haven't been to one in freaking years. We're in the E46 right now, so I'm mainly gonna be probably the camera guy, just because I mean my E46 doesn't have any power, you know. Yeah, we're just gonna go check out some cars. It's a nice drive back, and then I'm just gonna go gym honestly and put this video together, because I still have to put together the wheels for the E46 that I still haven't shown you guys yet. But we'll do that. I'll do it all today after gym. I'll put it all together, which will be in this video. So it's kind of like videoception, I guess. But yeah, we'll go check out some nice cars. The weather's amazing, honestly. Meet some nice people. Why not? You know, something a little bit different. How you going, bro? Sorry I'm a bit late. Good to see you, man. See you. Bye. Alright guys, there was two cars that really stole my heart today, and one was this RX-7. Like, that S15 was really nice too, but this RX-7 literally blew my mind away. Like, it was just perfect. It's something exactly how I would do it, and I just fell in love with this thing. Like, I couldn't stop taking photos. This guy probably thought I was some sort of a creep or some stalker or something, but oh my god, like, S15 is actually pretty sick too. I'm not so much of a, I guess, slam your car type of person, but I really do, you know, I really do appreciate it, and I think this looked really sick. Like, it was a clean car. I really appreciate it. So yeah. Definitely can confirm my car was probably the dirtiest in the actual event on car meet, but we're just gonna roll out now. Definitely the slowest car in the pack, but here we go. I don't mind staying at the back so you guys can just see everything. Man, these S15 sounds so nice. It makes me miss mine so much. back to recording for you guys so you can hear some more beautiful turbo flutters and JZ and SR20 and RB sounds. So enjoy. That white chaser, holy fuck, that's why I can't wait to 2JZ this E46, because if I could get it to sound like that, I'm happy. That's ridiculous. That's so cool. That'd be such a fun car. So that's definitely a massive goal for me, especially after seeing that. It's something I gotta achieve. Alright, so we're pretty much 1 minute away from the car meet cruise, which is pretty much just over on the right there, I think. But what a freaking beautiful day today has been, honestly, guys. Like, the weather couldn't have been any better. The people, the cars couldn't have been any better. So we just, when we park up, we'll just have a walk through of the cars. I do think we might be one of the first to have rocked up, but everyone's going to be here, so I think it's actually good that we came first, possibly, just so I could park up and just record everyone coming in and stuff. So yeah, it's gonna probably slap my car somewhere, I don't know, maybe here. Let's put it there. I'll show you guys as well how freaking dirty my car is, so I'll give you guys a walk around before everyone comes. This is the mess. This is what I rock up to, bro. I'm so sorry, man. The car is so dirty. Look at my wheels. Everyone's got like the cleanest cars. And I rock up in this dirty Beamer. I love that they all put on a show for me as well. I need a JZ in my life, honestly. Alright, there's more coming in, so we'll just go to the front and record it. Alright, that was pretty much it, guys. Hopefully I did a good enough job pretty much showing the whole day kind of thing, just a whole little that event. I'm starving. I'm gonna go home, train first, then probably eat. And I'm definitely gonna watch the E46 because this shit is bloody embarrassing. I didn't know how dirty it was. But yeah, what a actually amazing turnout. Thank you so much as well for inviting me. Thank you all for watching. A like and subscribe would mean a lot, and I would love to do more videos like this. I want to do more videos or track days or time attack, GDR events, GDR cruises. You know, I'm gonna do a lot more. You're gonna make sure I'm out there when I can, whenever I can, to make content and just be fun. Like honestly, this was fun for me. It's like, and that's what I want. You know, I didn't think too much. I just recorded, because I think sometimes you think too much in videos. Like, is this gonna be good? Blah 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 blah. You know what I mean? But just go out and just have fun, record the video. Anyway, so that's why I like doing like vlog styles. This is like more vlog style than anything. Anyway, I'm bloody talking way too much. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.